Fáilte Arash, welcome back. I'm going to give you a pronunciation guide now, especially when you're coming up against two consonants and the second one is a H. Let's look here. We have BH here. Now this is a V sound in Irish. So for example, an bhuilóg is a sheet, an bhuilóg. Next we have FH. This is silent in the Irish language, silent. So as an example, araus, which means amazing or fabulous, araus. Next we have MH. This is a V sound as well, like BH. So MH equates to a V sound. As an example, if something was very good, you would say anna va, anna va. And you can see, and you can hear and see the MH there making a V sound, anna va. Next we have this here, which is a PH. So if these are the first two letters of a word, this is pronounced with an F sound, an F sound. An example would be Phléasc mé amach ag gaire. I burst out laughing, or I exploded with laughter. Phléasc mé amach ag gaire. Next we have SH. So if these are the first two letters of a word, this is silent. An example would be Shiúil mé a bhaile. I walked home. Shiúil mé a bhaile. So you can clearly hear there that the SH is silent in that sentence. Next we have TH. This is pronounced like a H sound. So it's a H. And an example would be hit me, as in I fell, hit me. Or tháinig me, I came. Mar hampla. Tháinig tú I bhfad. Did you come far? Tháinig tú I bhfad. So you can hear the H sound on the tháinig part of that sentence. And as I said at the start of the video, I bhfad there has a V sound. I bhfad to do with coming from far. I bhfad, far. Tháinig tú I bhfad. Of course, it's important to note that there are three main dialects of the Irish language. The Southern Munster dialect, the Galway or Connacht dialect, and in the northwest we have the Ulster dialect. So please note that different dialects have different ways of pronouncing it. I guess I just use the Munster dialect the majority of the time because I find it easier and it's the way I was taught in school. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Gurb míle mágad agus feiceadh mé go luathu mar sin, and I'll see you soon.